I'm back. And what I'm going to do here today is I'm going to put some new marker lights on this RV. Okay, so the wires, how they're working here, they come out the hole like this, and you see they're joined. So what happens is, this is the positive running all the way through. This is the positive, and it runs positive over there. And one of these leads off the light goes to the positive. The other one goes to the grounding screw and grounded to the body of the RV. That's how they work. And let me show you how that is right here. See, I've got the vehicle plugged in here. I got the lights on the vehicle, plugged into the RV. Okay. And I got a little automotive test light here, hooked to there. And you see when I touch to the body of the RV how the light works, okay? All right, so that's how that is. So we're going to run one lead off the light to that positive connection there, and we're going to heat shrink it. And then we're going to run this one to the grounding screw, okay? And here's all the material and tools I'm going to need to do this job. I got 4 new lights. I got some heat shrink. I got some screws, a bit of black tape, propane, a torch, a sparker, a test light, wire strippers, a screwdriver, and I got some Sikaflex 291 marine adhesive, and I got some gloves and some shop towel to clean up any mess I make around the outside of those lights as I put them in. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I got that spliced into there. Just twisted it around, made it nice and tight. Now, bring this heat shrink back over the joint. So it's in about the middle. Okay, like that. And then I'm just going to warm that up and shrink it down with a torch. Just a little dance of heat over that, and it's enough. Okay, what you're going to want to do next is pop the lens off. Okay, set that aside. And then you're going to tuck your wires into the hole carefully. Okay, yeah, you see how I've got this wire. This is the ground wire. I brought it up through the screw hole and put the screw in, and it pierced the sheathing on this and grounded it, but there was enough wire left over to bring it over and attach it to this screw as well. I could have put an eye on this end, I guess, as well, but it's grounded in 2 spots, okay? And I did that for all of them. And on that one. And on this one as well, same thing, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that Sikaflex caulking around these and wipe it off real neat, and before we put the covers on. There, I got them all together, I got them caulked around there. Get the covers on. They all work. And it's looking good. And that's how that's done. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you again here soon on Everyday Projects. Bye for now.